No way, bro. Carbon front lip. Holy shit. What's up, bro? Holy shit. God damn. No, he had to get the buckets in there. Hell yeah. All right, y'all, so we're gonna film a little TikTok here. Make sure you go follow F90Gav on TikTok and Instagram because we got some cool reels posting. But let me film this TikTok real quick and then we'll get into the video. Bro, this shit goes so hard. We be making viral TikToks like every week. So y'all gotta go see my TikTok, F90Gav. Drop a follow, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know that you're coming from YouTube. But this is the content we be making, man. This goes crazy. Got the Aston in the back.
Hellcat Durango.
Damn. Bro, look at this angle, bro. This shit just looks so mean. That M4 with the lasers looks so aggressive. We got Tim getting the professional flicks. Yes, sir. Bro, dream cars at 20, bro. Got Tim, full-time detailer, crypto trader. Just bought this shit in cash. Go visit his video when he got this shit off the trailer. He made a fire-ass video on his channel, G82 Tim. I'll drop that in the bio. But yeah, we'll be making some sick content. Stay tuned for the rest of the video because we're gonna be going for a little drive, cutting it up, getting some good exhaust clips. So I know y'all wanna hear, you know, the M4 exhaust compared to my exhaust, see how that sounds. But pretty sure his car right now is just full stock. So it's gonna sound, you know, it's that stock inline six, which is still sounds pretty good. It's not gonna be as loud as mine, obviously, because I'm full catless, but stay tuned to the end of the video. Drop a like and leave a comment if you guys enjoyed. But without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. Bro, you already know we're getting all the angles of this shit, bro. We're really on the, on the balcony showing off the carbon roof. His carbon roof looks crazy. There's not one thing we're not doing for this TikTok, bro. Getting the aerial angles. Tim's getting the CPL lens on right now. But this looks insane from up here. Great view, by the way. It's looking tough. Sounds really good for stock, not gonna lie. The M4. All right, y'all, so we're gonna head downtown. We're gonna get a little drive POV. We're going down there to get some more content, but we're gonna go downtown, get some scenic clips, but definitely gonna be hitting some poles along the way, so stay tuned. Follow Tim here. Dude, the Isle of Man green just looks so good in the sunlight. Brightens it up. It's like a top 3 BMW color in my opinion. It's just like, looks so unique. You just know that's a BMW when you see that color. Especially on these M4s, so unique. intakes sound crazy. Just to fill you guys in, so I did have to have my car in the shop for like, hold on. Oh, and that boost kicks in, it's crazy. So I did have to have my car in the shop for like a month because they had to repaint my bumper because I was driving behind like a work truck and some pieces of wood fell out of the back of his car and kind of scratched my shit up. So I got my bumper like repainted and fixed and everything. Shit is so loud. Feel bad for Tim back there. He's like right in my exhaust. My exhaust is. Damn. Y'all hear the car a little bit? Whew. Uh-oh. Damn. The car's dirty now. Bro, those intakes are so loud. Woo! Those pops. Damn. This is the best sounding BMW, guys. Like, I know there's a lot of hype. That V10, M5, and everything, which the car sounds unbelievable. But like, is this in like a top 3? I think it has to be. Like, I think these sound a lot better than the Inlet 6s for obvious reasons. So, I mean, it just sounds so good. It's like 50% of why I even drive this car is just the sound alone. But you're not getting that from no car, man. Those turbos as well. A two-wheel drive on his car, man. Tires are slipping a little bit. You hear it pretty good though for being stock. It's still fast as fuck, obviously. Those M4s are so fast. In the future, if he tunes this shit, maybe even puts radials on the back if he really tunes it, that would look badass with this color. Some black radials on there, would be sick. Those windows down again. Hear those turbos and intakes. Woo! I just feel bad for whoever's walking near me. It's just so obnoxious. Like, I'm aware that it's obnoxious, but like, I can't help it. It's addicting. Just to sit here and downshift. God damn. no idea where bro's taking me right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Just got stuck behind a biker.
Uber? Wow. And a Z06? Little M2 in there? God damn. Dude. That sounds...
All right, y'all, so we're gonna go drive for a little bit. Just got that sick content downtown. Wasn't able to fully hit it all the way, but it's an always stop sign. This. But the exhaust probably sounds so good. I mean, it's so loud, the echo off the buildings. Completely disturbing everyone's Father's Day, but it's okay. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
That's good, huh?
Yep.
I think it connected to CarPlay. I gotta trip that.
Bro, fuck CarPlay. A little launch control. Woo. It is hot as fuck out. What is it, 88? Damn. Get the window down for 2 seconds and I'm sweating, bro. Alright. I'm not gonna do a dig, I'm gonna roll up. Till I get past the light. Oh my god, that's so loud. Bro, I forgot how loud this car is with full windows down and shit.